Okay, so I'm having problems with my fridge or my auto fill pitcher is not filling up all the way or at all. And my first thing that I did was put like a card down there because I thought it was a magnet not reading the pitcher. That didn't work. So what I did, I put a little card and it still didn't work. And then back there's this little switch and I put like a little spacer. I put this on there kind of like that. And then, because people would say that sometimes the little connector or doesn't go all the way down, but that wasn't the case for me. It still didn't work. And then some said to make sure my picture thing it's on autofill, it's on, and it is on. That still didn't work. And then I disconnected the moisture sensor and then put everything back together, and it still didn't work. So my actual thing that's wrong that I figured out, it's just sensor that's bad, but there's something inside that's making it bad. That's not working at all. So what I did was jump these two together, and then I kind of did like that. So I put my picture back in, and let's see if it actually fills. Okay, now I hear it kicked on. Let's give it a couple seconds just to see. All right. Yep, and it's working there. So there's something wrong with that sensor inside of it that's not making it work.